Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas, and we're here today to show off the new Blue Demon welding hood. So, backed by popular demand, somebody's asked me to do a video on this hood. So, in the online world, they're comparing it to the Pannoramaxx hood. So, I was going to pull it out of the box and just do a little comparison video and see if the rumors are true or if they are false. So, right out of the gate here, pull it out, kind of a neat packaging, right out of the hood. So as you can see, it's got a very big front lens. It's got 1, 2, 3 auto changing lenses, and it's got 5 sensors and then a solar assist for the battery, external grind button, and then on the down here it's got the shades, the sense, and the delay, the sensitivity and the delay. So we can choose mode, and we can do grind, weld, and cut mode. It's got auto and manual setting. We're on the manual setting, then there's shades. So we can go up to shade 14, from 8 to 14 on the shades. We're going to set it at shade 11 here and give this thing a shot. So what they're claiming now out in the online world is that this is clearer and more viewing range than a Pannoramaxx. Now, I know if you guys have watched any of my videos, so I did a Pannoramaxx video, and the clarity and the viewing range on that is tremendous. I mean, it's an awesome hood. Let's give this a shot.
Say that again, but first.
So first things first, what I've noticed right out of the gate, the headgear. I'm not crazy about the headgear. It seems to be a little bit, I don't know, cheaper construction than other competitors. Just my opinion, could be wrong. It does stay up though in the head. I had to tighten the side knobs, so it does stay up. All right, so let's give this thing a shot here. We're gonna try and weld it, see how clear it is and the viewing range. So surprisingly, it's very clear. It's hard to explain. So that the 2 side shields are actually, if you saw me turn my head when I was welding, they're actually lighter than the main shield up front. So I believe so when I turned my head, these 2 are lighter, and this one gets darker. I had this set at shade 11, and it was, I mean, the clarity was unbelievable. But so the clarity was really good. I wouldn't say it has the same. It's in a different class than the Pannoramaxx as far as how it feels on your face or how it sits on your head. It's not the same, but the viewing range is there. I could see all the way around me, 180 degrees like they said, but it has a different, I guess, feel on my face than what the Pannoramaxx did. It was very clear. I'll give them that. I mean, it was very clear. I could see where I was going. I could see the whole weld joint. I could see around the weld joint. I could see out the peripherals just fine. It's an interesting hood, very interesting hood. But all in all, I mean, that's very nice. I would say though it doesn't compare. Now, some of the pictures I've seen from the online world where they compare the Pannoramaxx to this, so I don't think those are true. They show the Pannoramaxx being more green than this hood. I would say they're going to be very comparable in sight, what you see through the hood itself. But all in all, it's not a bad hood. We do stock this hood. It is in stock right now. And the price point right now is right around $270. So check it out online, bakersgas.com. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.